Welcome! Today let's paint an easy seascape in pastel using an underpainting. Our materials are UArt sanded paper and a range of Prismacolor firm pastels and 91% isopropyl alcohol and brushes. I'm using a Pexel-free reference photo for the demo, and it's okay to loosen up and deviate some from the reference, and we'll use a little creativity. Use the flat side of your pastel stick to lightly fill in some of the darker values to the surface of the paper. Follow the reference photo and try to envision what colors are underneath the surface of the water. Colors are always darker at the horizon line. As I fill in some more color, I follow the contour of the cresting wave. The beach is a sandy brown with layers of blue and pink reflections. So it's good to blend some of these colors together in the foreground before beginning our underpainting. I dip my brush into the alcohol and brush it on very loosely. We just want to blend all the colors together before we apply any more pastel. The alcohol wash dries very quickly, and it provides a good base before applying new pastel layers. By having a solid surface to work on, we prevent smudging, and it also allows the colors beneath to show through. The colors I'm applying now blend very nicely over the base colors. The paper will hold several layers of additional pastel as I continue to build my sky colors. Now that the sky is nearly done, I will define the horizon line with some dark navy blue. Add some light blue strokes to render some highlights to the distant water. Use a horizontal stroke and then blend lightly. Gradually define the crashing wave. Note that there is a darker shade cast below the breaking wave. This is a shadow created from the wave as it spills over. I'm adding some more turquoise color to the breaking wave, and I'll use my alcohol wash to blend it into the wave. It only takes a couple minutes for the alcohol to dry on my paper, and I can go back and start adding more pastel to define the crashing wave. Add light colors to the crest of the wave. Begin by shaping the foam with some light blue and gradually add the white over the light blue at the bottom edge of the wave. I'm going to add some white spray to our cresting wave, and I used the flat side of my short piece of white pastel to create that spray to the water. I'm going to start adding some sea green color to the foreground of our painting. As I blend it, you can still see the sandy beach underneath showing through. The color of the water is lighter in the foreground of the painting, and I'm adding some of the white foam that flows onto the beach. Sure to add a shadow of brown color along the edge of the foam at the end of the beach. It represents a shadow being cast onto the wet sand. hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and I look forward to sharing more videos and tips with you. Please subscribe and see you next time.